Good morning. Again, we are starting with the dimension formula. Yesterday, we have done the dimension formula of few of the physical quantity, which are simply based on mass, length, and time. But today, we will be talking about the something else. What else or different type of physical quantities? Although we are familiar with these terms also. Heat. Number one is heat. What is heat? Heat is the energy as a form of energy. And what is energy? Energy is the capacity of doing work. So energy is equal to work. Remember that whenever you're using the term heat, energy, work, that means they all are the same thing and they have the same dimension formula or same SI unit also. All the physical quantities having same dimension formula must be having same SI unit. Now force, as we have already done, force is mass into acceleration. That will be mass into acceleration m. Mass, acceleration is L, t minus 2. Distance is L. So work done, energy or heat must be having a dimension formula of m L square t minus 1. Square bracket is mass. Next we come to entropy. I think you're familiar with this term in chemistry. Entropy means unavailability of a system's thermal energy to conversion into mechanical energy. It means this is the measure of that energy or that heat of the system which cannot be utilized for doing useful work. That part of energy that is cannot be converted into work, that cannot be utilized for doing the work, that is known as entropy. Or you can say this is the measure of the uncertainty or the randomness, means how randomly the particles are moving as the temperature increases, or day by day always the entropy is increasing. Why it is increasing? Because the randomness of the system is increasing. That's why the entropy is always increasing. And entropy is the uncertainty or it is the randomness. Remember these terms also. Now what is the formula of entropy? Entropy is heat upon temperature. What is heat? Already we have done what is heat, that is ml square t minus 1. Now temperature, don't make this mistake of writing temperature again as t, because t, what is t? T is your time. So temperature has to be taken by some other quantity, either by K or by, the temperature is written either by K or by theta, not by T. Okay, remember this thing. Mostly the students are making this mistake in the exams also. Temperature is written either by K or theta and T is for the time. So heat is ml square T minus 1 and temperature is K I have taken. So the dimension will be ml square T minus 2 K inverse. This is entropy in this way. Today we are going to solve the numericals also. Next we come to electric current. What is electric current? Electric current is charge upon time. But remember that electric current is a fundamental quantity. That means it must have its own dimension. And what is the dimension of electric current? That is A. Current is not represented by I, but it is represented by A. Now, charge is not considered as fundamental quantity. Why? Although we would have considered the charge also as a fundamental quantity, but we have not considered, because most of the time we will be finding the current and it will be convenient for us to calculate the current instead of charge. Charge is difficult to measure. This value can not be directly measured, but current can be measured directly with the help of ammeter. So instead of charge, although charge is more fundamental in comparison to current, but still we have taken current as a fundamental quantity. We have already discussed the 7 fundamental quantities. Now charges, current into time. What is current? The dimensions of current is A and the dimension of time is T. So dimensions of charge will be AT, or it can be written as M0, L0, T1, A1. Now we come to electric potential. What is electric potential? Work done required to bring a unit positive charge from infinity to a point. We have already done in this class 10th. the first chapter of class 10. Now work done, we know the dimensions of work done. Work done is mass into acceleration. Sorry, m, not mass into acceleration. Work done is force into displacement. Force is m L T minus 2. This is your force. When force get multiplied by the displacement, then it will be m L square T minus 2. So work done is m L square T minus 2. So m L square T minus 2. Charge is already we have calculated just now, AT or TA. So when we do solve it, we get m L square T minus 3 A minus 1. This is your electric potential.